what's going on, guys? It is your boy Dylan 591 here, and today we are heading to Wildcat Off-Road Park right outside of East Bernstein, Kentucky. We're on our way, boys. It's what we've been waiting for. It's a trip I've been waiting for. I can't wait to experience it with you guys. We got so much to show you guys. Hopefully you guys stick around in this video. We got Cole here. We got Rick up here in the Jeep. We got the Jeeps loaded down. We are on our way to, like I said, Wildcat Off-Road Park right outside of East Bernstein, Kentucky. And we're going to be spending Wednesday through Sunday there. So we're going to be having a blast and doing a lot of off-roading. It's a cool park. We've never been to this place before. We've been down to Rush a couple of times, but this will be our first time going down to Wildcat, and I think it's going to be a blast. So hope you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys are subscribed, hit that like button, and enjoy. Just went up, got our wristbands. We're good to ride all week. Got the Jeep here. We're getting ready to go get them unloaded and start doing some wheeling on day one. This is Wednesday. Unloading the Jeeps at our site. Ricky, Cole, and me are going back to the hotel. Davey and Cheryl staying at the site in the RV this weekend. You're good, Ricky. Get ready to unload the YJ and the ZJ. Setting off on day 2, and we are going wheeling. Here we go, first trail, boys.
There you go, Dylan. Alright, you're going. Do a little pop.
Which way did Ricky go?
Straight. Yeah, you are not getting upright. I'm sorry. I'm doing best I can to keep it steady.
Ricky! You want to spot me? Okay, this is a hole, Cole. Okay, here we go. Back up.
Straight, yeah. We're at the top. We just went past the horseshoe one.
Alright, you ain't stopped yet. Keep coming up.
Oh well. Alright, we're coming along to that cliffside.
Alright, keep coming. We're not too far ahead of you. There's the last climb. You're going to have to get a little bit of speed. I'd stay to the left coming up it.
So turn left up here.
See where I'm sitting at.
That way? Which way are we going?
Supposed to be that way. I think the friend went that way though.
Okay, so the
You come
orange
down
Jeep
through that
went that
cave
way?
section.
Yeah, the orange Jeep went that way.
Okay, cool.
Tighten this one up.
Go straight forward.
Go. Keep going. Stop. You go.
It's a good thing these things are about to take a beating.
Back off. Off.
Yes!
here going to the other side of the park over towards Jurassic Trail again. This is day 4 on the trails. Just check and make sure there's no traffic. Let's get it. Okay, now I'm gonna get my Jeep into 4 low here. Back out here again. Got more Jeeps up here. No, you're good. You're good.